Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Debbie. I'm here in Brookwater with Perry Homes. This is my sales rep, Imad Khan. Imad, say hi to the people.
Hey y'all, how are y'all doing? This is Imad with Perry
Well,
Homes.
he is my go-to guy for Perry Homes, and today he's going to be showing me some elevations in this community. He's going to be answering some really, really honest questions about what it is like buying a new construction home, not just in Brookwater, but in all Perry Homes. And yeah, let's just jump right into it, okay?
Today we are in Rosenberg, Texas, southwest of Houston.
Welcome to the 1743 by Perry Homes, one of their most popular floor plans, especially amongst first-time home buyers. The single-story home has a little over 1,700 square foot, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and an optional powder room. Here in the heart of the home, you'll find the kitchen. Features a central island, granite or quartz countertops, depending on your design choice, and 42-inch cabinets as a standard Perry upgrade. Tall ceilings and wide windows make a big impact, especially for buyers looking for style without compromising functionality. This layout is all about flow. Whether you're hosting friends or having a quiet night in, everything connects seamlessly, and that's the point here. Off the main living area in the back of the house is the peaceful, retreat-like master bedroom. It's got plenty of space for a king-size bed, and the ensuite bathroom includes a walk-in shower, dual vanities, and a spacious walk-in closet. Very lovely. Down the hall, you'll find the study room or the home office with a beautiful accent wall. Notice the covered patio out back, a really standard and thoughtful feature from Perry. Let's head back down the hall towards the front of the home. You'll find here to the right 2 secondary bedrooms with a shared full bath, perfect for your guests, your kids, or even a home office. And there's the secondary bedroom 1. Down the hall again, we'll find the secondary bedroom 2 of the exact same size. And I find that this plan is especially attractive to first-time home buyers because it offers versatility. Whether you're starting a family or downsizing, this layout works. One of the upgrades that a lot of the buyers love is adding the optional half bath in front of the house. This makes entertaining guests so much easier without giving up the space in the main and secondary bath. So guys, if you are enjoying this tour, tap like and subscribe. I post videos often showing what homes really look like in Houston, Texas, and I'd love to help you find yours. Okay, so can you give us the inside scoop? Because literally that is why I'm here.
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
Pairing offering right now that nobody else is offering as far as incentives, etc.?
So right now with Perry Homes, we do have our summer savings event going on. So you're gonna get able to get up to 25K in incentives depending on the inventory home.
Okay.
So you can use that towards closing costs. You can use that to a rate buy down, which a lot of people like, or you can take it off the price.
Another one for you. In a typical, just normal scenario,
Mhm.
what is the timeline from when, a buyer sees a home, puts it under contract to closing? And if there's any delays, what causes those?
So that's a great question. So with buyers, when you're going under from contract to close, it's typically going to be 30 to 45 days, depending on the lender and the builder. Cash sales will typically be quicker, usually 2 to 3 weeks. But with a conventional or FHA loan, it's typically going to be 30 to 45 days. And what might cause delays in that is not having all of your documents that are needed.
So here's a good one, because most of the people who subscribe are first-time home buyers. What is the number one mistake you see the first-time home buyers make when they buy new builds?
The number one mistake that I have seen so far is for first time home buyers is not fully exploring all your options. Is just jumping right in. Oh, I like this deal sounds good, this house looks good, and just jumping into it. Don't do that.
Your due diligence.
Exactly. Find out what one lender is offering versus another. Do all of that before you actually decide to go under contract on the home.
Okay, awesome. That's a great answer. Tell us, Imad, what neighborhoods in all of Houston surrounding areas
Yes,
is
ma'am.
really hot right now for Perry?
So with Perry Homes, we have communities all over Houston as well as other parts of Texas as well. And we just expanded into Florida. So the hottest communities in Houston right now, we've got, of course, Brookwater, up and coming,
And now Brookwater is in
Brookwater, Rosenberg, Texas, where we are right
okay.
now. So we're gonna do the grand opening actually next weekend. So there's gonna be like food vendors and things like that.
I will be there with bells on.
It's gonna be there's a lot of realtor stuff there too. So you should definitely check that out. And
Yes,
then
sir.
other than Brookwater, Stone Creek is really popular right now.
Stone Creek is in
It's in Richmond, Texas, not
Okay.
too far down from here.
Mhm.
And then Austin Point is the new up and coming one in the Southwest Division. That's also going to be in Richmond, Texas, where I'm sure your followers are familiar with George Ranch area.
Oh, well, they are now.
Yeah, so that's where Austin Point is going to be. And then you've got Valencia and Manville.
Oh, love Valencia.
Beautiful
Yes.
community with lots of amenities there. So those are some of the hottest areas right now.
Okay, and I find that all these areas that you mentioned are kind of south of the, I guess, Houston and the Loop. Is that just coincidental, or?
That's where everybody wants to be
Okay.
right now.
Hey, I always say it, you guys. Everybody wants to be in the South Side,
especially like close to the the Highway 59.
Yes,
that
absolutely.
is where you want to be close to, because that will get you half an hour into downtown.
All right, Imad, thank you so much. I'm gonna leave you with one question here. It's a little bit of a quirky one, but hey, we keep it real, right? If Perry Homes had a dating profile, what would you put on it and what would you leave off?
If Perry Homes had a dating profile, the main things that would be on there would be trust and communication, because that's what Perry's about, is building trust with our clients.
Amen.
And our customer satisfaction that goes within the communication. I've had so many people come into my model, even if they're just starting to look, they're like, you're so much more informative than what we've been seeing and what we're used to. Like the information you were able to give us, you went and showed us inventory homes, you went and took the extra step. So that would be on the dating profile for sure. Things to leave off, we don't have anything that we leave off. Okay, so that's what Perry's all about.
It's all good here at Perry Homes. Thank you so much, Imad. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Welcome to 5034 Bowen Prairie Drive here in Brookwater, Texas. This is our $23.99 floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 2 stories, and an office. Follow me. Step into the primary suite. And primary bathroom with dual vanity sink and a large shower. And if you follow me upstairs, you're welcomed by a lovely game room, and up here you will also find your 2 guest bedrooms, as well as your full bathroom. Welcome to 5019 Bowen Prairie Drive. This 2-story, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom with a game room has it all. Let's go have a look. Covered patio, spray decking already done for you on the floor, Alright, and here we'll find the guest suite with an attached full bathroom. Alright guys, let's head upstairs and see what we do. So upstairs, you'll find a large game room looking down on the living room. got your 2 guest bedrooms with 1 full bathroom here as well. And then bedroom number 4.
Thank you guys so much for staying with me till the end of this video. Thank you for coming with me on this Perry home tour. You know, moving, especially from out of town, doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right realtor, it can actually be exciting. So if you're thinking about moving to Houston, I'd love to help you find the right home, find the right location, and find the right fit. My info is on the screen. Feel free to reach out anytime. And if this tour was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Houston homes and insights. See you next time.